Today we will learn use of have, take and do. I'll tell you where we can use have, take and do. These all are different words, but I will tell you where we have to use it. We can use do with do your homework, do nothing, do the cooking, do the dishes, do your hairs. With these all, we are using do. Use of take. We are using take with these all words. Take a break. Take a look. Take an exam. Take a seat. Take a chance. We are using take with these all verbs or sentences. Use of have with different words. We can use have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have a rest, have a lunch. We have many more words with which we can use, but these are very useful and very daily basic routine words with which we are using have. Please, if you like our YouTube video, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for watching more and more videos.